Hey, what's up, Beardsters? So today we're talking about autumn beard care routines, and autumn beard care routines are really prevalent because the weather's getting a bit colder, your skin's getting drier, so there's some things you need to start doing day in, day out that are slightly different from what you would normally be doing. So I'd start off by making sure that you're washing the beard properly, that you're actually looking after it, and once you finish doing your normal beard wash, your normal face wash, whatever you're washing the beard routine actually looks like, make sure that you really dry the beard. So I'm towel drying the beard as much as possible, applying some beard oil or butter, then drying the beard again with a hairdryer on a cooler setting just to get rid of any moisture, and then apply a balm, because the beeswax is going to protect the hair and skin against any of this horrible coldness that's starting to creep in. And today, we're in the middle of a forest today. This forest is awesome. It's a really good, some really nice scenery, some nice trees, and I thought it'd just be a really good location to film this video. There's only one other thing that I'm really doing a lot more of, and that's brushing the beard. I'm brushing the beard maybe 3 times a day now, every morning when I get home from work and before bed, and that's just because my hair's getting a lot curlier, my skin's drying out a bit more, so I want to make sure I'm keeping it nice and clean. On top of the exfoliation, I want to get any tangles out, and I think just applying a bit more product, drying the beard a lot more, making sure there's no moisture left in it, and just brushing the beard, just upping those things that you do every single day with your beard, it's going to make the biggest difference to your beard this autumn. And going into winter, you can pretty much follow suit and do exactly the same. Keep that up, your beard's gonna look incredible. And to be honest, guys, that's all I'm doing. I'm not doing anything crazy, I'm not doing anything that's absurd. I'm not even putting that much work in. I'm just doing the basics right, and I'm doing a bit more of them every single day. And if you do this every single day, you're gonna be fine. But hopefully you like the different environment, the different scenery today. If you did, smash the like button, hit subscribe, and we'll see you very soon. Goodbye, guys.